Hi, I'm Chris Lewis. I've been here 5 weeks at Cyfle. Next week I'm going to Wales and Co to be an assistant editor.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm going to Regan Rimmer next week to be a casting assistant.
Hi, I'm Sophie. I'm doing the camera apprenticeship for the BBC.
I'm really excited about going to Real SFX on Monday. I've had an amazing 6 weeks. It's been really good. And just really excited to get there now.
On Monday we're casting for a film and a musical, and I'm really excited about it.
I've been at Cyfle for 6 weeks now. I've really enjoyed it. I'm really glad we've had the chance to do this before we go to the workplace.
I've really enjoyed the 5 weeks here at Cyfle. They've given me a good grounding in the industry, given me a lot of knowledge to take away with me into the workplace. And hopefully from next week then I'll be able to carry it on and learn a lot more.
I'm really looking forward to working on programmes like Casualty and Hobbycom.